Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by loading a clean voice recording and importing it into Capcut. Do this now so you work on the source, not background noise. Once imported, place the clip on the timeline and immediately duplicate it so you can compare edits. Make sure sample rate is correct and trim breaths. These small fixes make a big difference when you compress and EQ later. Now proceed to effects so you can shape the radio character without altering the original clip. You now shape tone. Add an EQ bandpass to emulate the radio frequency band, boosting around 802,000 Hz and cutting extreme lows and highs to simulate speaker limits. Once done, insert a compressor with a 3:1:4:1 ratio, medium attack and fast release to glue dynamics and push presence. Then apply gentle high-pass and low-pass filters to tighten the band. This combination makes your voice sound like it's coming through a small speaker while keeping intelligibility. You finish by adding character. Introduce a light distortion or bit crusher to taste, just enough to add harmonic grit. Once done, balance with a mostly dry reverb or a quick slap delay to imply room. Make sure the dry blend stays high so clarity remains. Export as WAV or 320 kbps MP3 and test in mono, since radios often collapse to mono. If it sounds thin or muffled, revisit EQ and reduce low-pass steepness. That usually fixes over filtered results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.